Hello friends, today we'll understand VLOOKUP function. Here we have two set of data. One is having invoice number, customer ID and customer name is missing here. And on the other side you have customer ID and customer name. So customer ID is common in both data set, and you will use the data which is common in both table to get another data or another column, or to get any other detail, but both should be in same table. And because the system will search what existingly you have in another table and will return the related or specified value. Let's try now one time. We look up. Now system is asking lookup value. What you want to look up? We want to look up this code, customer ID. It is already given here. Then system is asking table array. What is your data set? From where you will get the data, from where you want to match this one and to get the return value or to get the value. We'll specify this is our data set, and then comma. Then again now you need to provide column index number. Column index number mean this is there in our data set there are two columns. This is column number 1, column number 2. Our system will match customer ID in column number 1 and it should return the column number 2 data. Column number 2 data mean customer name. So we'll type 2, then 0, then close the bracket, enter. So now you see system match this one here. System use this customer ID and system search here, formula search here, and provide the customer name in second column. What we specify here 2 na, this is second column. Okay, then we can simply drag down. Now you will see data is here, customer name we pick from here by using customer ID, because customer ID was common in both table. The thing is that if you will drag down the formula, it will also move the table array. For example, if you will see this one, this formula, it is exactly what we select. When you will go down in second row, it is moving down. See, it came on second, and then if you go on third, it came on third one. This you need to fix, this you need to lock. How we will lock? Let's see that also. Come into first formula. This table H3 and I7, we will lock this one. How we will lock? We just need to go inside. We will press F4. System lock cell of this table array, means system lock the rows and column. It will not move even you will copy paste the formula till down. This is locked, and you need to lock the second also. In second column data F4. So now both column locked. Wherever you will copy paste the data, it will not move, it will remain same. In formula will remain on same cell. Press enter, then you drag down. You see data set is same address. If you go to third one, data address is same. If you go to last one, data address is same. So this is the reason why we lock. Data will not move. Wherever you will drag down, it will remain same, but the value will not be here because there is no value here and there is no value further data here to search for. In further video I will tell about something more about VLOOKUP. Just wait for my second video. Thank you.